How to block Facebook on TikTok. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first, click on the search bar over here on the top section and type Facebook. We will be able to see Facebook's profile over here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Facebook option over here, the share option, and you should be able to see here at the bottom that there will be a block option. So simply click on block over here, as you can see. So if you block Facebook, they will not be able to send your messages, see your posts, or find your profile. Also, this could fix people's issue with having a different algorithm or a different FYP page. So a lot of people have been trying or blocking Facebook, which apparently was able to fix their algorithm. But anyway, simply click on block over here and you should be able to block Facebook over here and you should now be able to utilize your TikTok as usual. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.